हिम्मत जी, बड़े आप सावधान होके क्यों बैठे हुए हैं, रिलैक्स होके बैठ रहे हैं?
तो सर आपके सामने बस नर्वस हो जाता हूँ ना, क्या करूँगा।
मैं आपको देख के मैं भी चेक वाली शर्ट पहन के आया हूँ, बदल के आया हूँ, मैं कहा गीता जी नमस्कार।
लिंक पे आ रहा है।
नहीं, हम दूसरे से कीजिए।
We're live now, I think.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of ADTOI, I'm Chetan, General Secretary ADTOI. I would like to welcome Mr. Himmat Anand, founder Tree of Life Hotels, Mr. Akhil Anand, who is also with Tree of Life Hotels, managing the hotels very well, and Mr. P.P. Khanna, our own president. I can see numbers are growing. Till time we have got 75 in numbers. So Himmat sir, we wait for another 5 minutes and we'll start, sir.
Yeah, sure. I think
Let the people join in.
Yeah.
Century to hone do yaar.
So friends, we all know about Tree of Life Hotels, and we all know Himmat Anand ji, very dynamic man and dynamic travel professional who has started this chain of hotels a long time back, and today he has got around 8 hotels in place. So today he will, Mr. Akhil and Mr. Himmat will explain about the hotels he holds, their services and their plans after COVID. How will they operate the hotels after COVID time? So stay tuned with us. We have a questionnaire as well at the end of the session. We will publish 10 questions which covers the presentation today, and on answering at least 7 questions out of 10, all participants will be awarded as a Tree of Life Hotels and ADTOI participation certificate. So you can very well display these certificates in your offices and brand your company as Tree of Life and ADTOI participant seminar participants. I can see people have started sending questions and on chat also. Just to brief members, the flow will be Mr. Anand will brief about the hotels. Then Mr. Akhil Anand will give the presentation and show a small video on his group of hotels. Mr. Khanna will address the house. Then we will take the question answer round. I would request all members who are listening to us, please send your questions in Q&A column at the bottom of your screen, so that we can take one by one. This will be at the end of the session. Generally, what we do before with ITC hotels, Accor hotels, and Taj Group hotels, the flow will be same. But yes, this is another ADTOI Connect program with Tree of Life. As I briefed yesterday also, we have plans to conduct a webinar on Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Northeast, and Gujarat. We are talking to the tourism minister in the tourism ministry, state tourism ministry. As soon as we get some confirmation from director or principal secretary, we will announce the date and time when we're going to hold this webinar. But for today, I'm sure we all get information and knowledge about Tree of Life Hotels. Meanwhile, I request Khanna ji to update the house, sir. Then we'll start in 2 minutes.
Thank you, Chetan, and thank you, Tree of Life Hotels. We are very thankful to Mr. Himmat Anand and Akhil Anand, were very kind to accept our, the offer to have this presentation for our members. And I'm very hope that after seeing your presentations about your hotels, which are really a different class of hotels, which are luxury segments are there, and particularly I'll say that heritage hotels are there. And like to say about Mr. Anand also that, earlier, I don't know now he's a tour operator or not, but earlier he was a tour operator since I know him, and how he is a game changer from tour operator to hotelier. So this kind of, the opportunities, we should also look into that to become his competent. So that's actually during this COVID-19, we are looking after, the lot of opportunities, what to do, where to do, because, every agent today is talking about that, where is the business and how we'll do the business. But unless you have some properties in your hand, definitely, if not today, not tomorrow, after some time, you will definitely get some kind of a business. And that's exactly, I think, on very good time, Mr. Anand has grabbed this opportunity and went into the hotels, which are really very luxury hotels and very good for the domestic market. And we are very, very positive about that, that everybody today is talking about the domestic tourism will be the first phase as soon as the lockdown lifted, and if we really found the vaccine for the COVID-19. So opportunities are there, but how to avail that opportunities, that is very important in our life. So Tree of Life, which is another thing, and let us talk about the Tree of Life and the presentation. And I think hopefully after seeing this presentation, a lot of people will really see that how to sell these properties, and request Mr. Anand already that they have done a lot of things for the AD2I members, and they've once given the presentation. Akhil was there to give the presentation. And at this time when there are crises are there, what exactly best the managing committee can do, or the Tree of Life for the AD2I members. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bhanaji. Thanks, Sandeep Jindal ji, for joining in. So Subhash Jain ji, RG Singh from Travstars Global Group. Thank you, RG sir, for joining in. Yogendra Upadhyay ji, Ms. J. Pitale, Tanuja Pandey ji. I hope the audio is clear now, Tanuja Pandey ji. Mrs. J. Pitale, okay. This is okay. Right, Hemant sir, can we start now if you're okay with this?
Right, I will, yes. Thank you, Khanna Sahab. Thank you very much for your very kind words. And I'd like to thank Chetan and the executive committee of AD2I for having allowed Tree of Life this opportunity to once again associate and do something together. We as a group have always worked closely with this segment of business, and going forward, we'd like to take this association much, much closer. I'm just going to take 5 minutes to give a background of what Tree of Life is all about. Khanna Sahab, just to come in before that, if any of the members are ever wanting to get into the hotel business, it's not a very profitable business, but I'll be more than happy to guide and assist in whichever way I can.
Yeah.
Absolute gratis advice to all AD2I members from my side, share my experiences with you as to how can you get into this business if you'd like to.
Sure.
Right. So going forward, when we started the Tree of Life about, it was I think 10 years ago, I started out with 3 non-negotiables for this brand. And the 3 non-negotiables were that we will always be outside city centers, but we are still close enough to cities, so 10, 15 kilometers outside city centers. We will always remain small, between 10 and 20, 25 keys, no more. And space and privacy will be our key offering to our clients. And I'm glad to see that even 10 years down the line, when we started from 1 hotel, today we are at 8, and there are plans to add 2, 3, 4 more hotels. We haven't let go of these non-negotiables which we started out with. Let's quickly look going forward, what is the traveler going to want? Because once the lockdown and whatever is lifted, I think you will have a new wish list from the traveler. And the main thing he's going to ask hotels, he's going to ask you as travel agents. For the hotels you're booking for the travel agent is not how luxurious it is, what is the star category, etc., etc. The one question he's going to ask all of us is, how safe is the hotel you are sending me to? And I think that will be the game breaker or the maker for hotels who get their act together or not. And this comes in many forms. It's not just about sanitizing the room. It's about restaurant seating. It's about changing the menu. It's about staff checks, health checks on a daily basis. So hotels have a lot of hard work to do, which we as a group, I think, have nearly completed in all aspects, barring a few of them. So on that front, yes, safety is going to be of paramount importance. The next winner, I think, will be those properties which are away from cities. I doubt guests are going to go into city center straight away. I doubt they're going to go into 100, 200 room hotels straight away because of the issues related. So I think those hotels which are a bit away from the city, those hotels which have less number of rooms, those hotels which have large open spaces, which are within probably 5 to 7, 8 hours of driving time, I think those are the hotels which will be the winners. Because the car is going to be the safest form of traveler for the guest. I think flight and train is a long way off. Cars, and I'm very optimistic, I'm probably too optimistic. I feel by July onwards, in a slow manner, leisure driving holidays are going to start as early as July, mid-July. That is my guesstimate, but time will tell where we reach. Going forward, I think we as industry must stop moaning and groaning for government support now. About 6 hafte ho gaye hain. We've made our point to the government. The government has many other priorities. And I think let us get into the positives with our guests now. And let's instill a sense of confidence in our guests. So I think all of us have to get together. We've made our point to the government. Give them time to decide. But let's move to the next step. And like I say, let's change the narrative. Let's start building that feeling of confidence in our travelers. Because the more you keep talking about how bad things are, you're actually sending a very negative message out to the traveler. So I think time has now really come on all forums and on all our platforms. Let's talk about the positivity of our business. Hospitality and tourism is a very feel-good business. So let's get that good feel back into our business again. It's tough times for everybody. That's a given. We can't change it. But now that the government has very nicely opened up as of tomorrow, quite a lot of things, and hopefully in the next 3-4 weeks, they will open up more. Let's get on to the steps of creating confidence for our potential travelers. I'm going to now hand over to Akhil, and he's going to take you through our properties and what else is in offer for ADTY. Once again, thank you for the executive committee for allowing us this opportunity. And Akhil, over to you now.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Hanna, Mr. Gupta, thank you very much once again for this opportunity. I'm just going to start with a short video, 5 minutes, to take you through visually all of our hotels so you get a visual understanding of the product. Right. So the Tree of Life group on the whole is divided into two brands, essentially. We've got the first brand, which is Tree of Life Expressions. That has Jaipur and Varanasi in it. And we've got Tree of Life Hideaways, which is the second brand. All the other locations come under that brand. Now, the only difference between Expressions and Hideaways is the level of luxury and the price point. So essentially, all of the properties have the same basics in place. They're all small inventories, 12, 14, 16 rooms. They're all slightly away from the city centers. So for example, Jaipur, we are in Kukas. Udaipur, we are midway between the airport and the city center. Varanasi, similarly, halfway between the airport and the city center. So we like to be placed outside of all the chaos and the crowd, away from the noise and the pollution, in very calm and peaceful surroundings. So that's the second thing. And a lot of most of our properties have private cottages and private villas. So we've been practicing social distancing for quite a while, actually, since day one. And that's a lot of our communication is going to go out in that sense now. That when you stay with us, it's not that you have to enter a lift and go through a long corridor to get to your room. I think people are now bored of that. They want their own space, they want their own privacy, they want to be connected to the outdoors, they want to be close to nature, maybe have a few options of some treks around and things like that. That's what people are really looking for. Monuments and sightseeing, you can even see them on YouTube. You don't really have to do that. And I think that's the shift that we've been seeing. And that's the target market that our properties are really catering to. So why is Tree of Life ideal? I think this is exactly all of the reasons since day one that we have been trying to push out in all of our communications about what makes us different from other city center hotels is exactly the advantages that we're seeing the COVID-19 around. And we do hope that we should be one of the first hotels to sort of see a reasonable amount of uptake as soon as domestic travel starts. So we know that for this year, inbound and outbound is obviously out of the window. We have millions of travelers, their international holidays. They will not do so anymore. So that's a huge captive audience which is there within our country, waiting to be tapped, because they're going to still want to go out for holidays within the country. So domestic is really the focus, right? We've seen a lot of the inbound operators, outbound operators also looking at this space very seriously now and seeing how they can get a piece of this pie. Within domestic, we have identified 3 sub-segments, which we think are the lowest hanging fruits, the ones that will move the quickest. And I'd like to talk about that a little bit. The first one, of course, is self-drive getaways. So in the last 2 weeks, we've actually used this time to build a brand new product offering, a brand new line of products and packages for the Tree of Life, which is called self-drive getaways. So people are obviously going to be skeptical. They're going to be a little scared of taking a flight. They're going to be scared of taking a train. The safest way for them to travel would be going down, getting into their car, and driving to a resort of their choice. And if that resort is outside the city centers, then that's an icing on the cake, really, because they don't really have to enter another city which they're not familiar with. So self-drive getaways, how have we packaged this? Let's look at Delhi NCR as a feeder market, for example. So around this, we have our properties of Jaipur, of Ranthambore, which are in drivable distances. And we also have Kobat and Binsar. So these are the locations that we're positioned in for the Delhi NCR market. So we've made packages which combine Jaipur and Ranthambore also as an option. So you do have an option of just taking a 2-night package to Jaipur and driving back, or then you may want to add 1 night or 2 nights in Ranthambore. So we've created that sort of a circuit from Delhi to Jaipur to Ranthambore and then back to Delhi. So that's one option. The second option is combining Kobat and Binsar. So Kobat, as we know, is halfway through to Binsar. It's about 4.5 hours from here to Kobat, and another 4.5 hours from Kobat to Binsar, which is at 7,500 feet. Our property is inside the Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary over there, built in 1856. It's got 11 rooms, and it's on a 63-acre piece of land inside the forest. So completely disconnected, and exactly what people would be looking for after being cooped up in their homes for so long. They really want to go outdoors, go on a trek, connect with nature again. So Kobat, Binsar, and Delhi, that's another package. And then we have various other packages which we've created for, let's say, feeder markets of Lucknow and Agra, for Varanasi, a property in Varanasi, or for the Gujarat market with our property in Udaipur. There are various options, and we will request ADTOI to send these packages out to you once this is done as well, for your information. The second one is family reunions. So given that people have been, again, disconnected from their families, some have been unfortunate to be stuck in places which have not allowed them to be with their families and so long, we feel that there's going to be a sentiment, there's going to be a sense of people wanting to gather again, to catch up and reunite. So our properties are ideally suited for that segment as well. And we've worked out various packages and combinations which can be used for these kind of buyouts. So what happens is, let's say Jaipur, we've got 13 villas in 7 acres of land. Some of them have private pools. So these 13 villas are ideal for a gathering of about 30-35 people. And in the past, we've already had many people sort of come and celebrate their 50th birthday with us, their 25th anniversary with us, and they have taken the entire resort for themselves. So essentially,
one moment, I'm so sorry to interrupt. Akhilji, have you, this is on a presentation or you just a briefing just like that?
I'm just briefing on
okay. There's no presentation on it, right?
No, that was the video I've shown. I'm going to be showing 1 or 2 photographs as we go.
That is okay, because I thought there shouldn't be any presentation because we can see your face, not the presentation is coming on.
Yeah, no, there is no presentation.
All right. Sorry about it. Please go on.
They have done that. They have shown this, all the properties in the video. So I think he has to now explain it. No? How is it?
Please go on, Akhil.
Right, Akhil. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. So family reunions, we've had a lot of people come and book these with us. They have taken the entire resort. So you get the whole resort, which is exclusively for your group. So the entire staff, the itinerary, everything is focused just on your group, and you have the entire resort to yourself, which is a very special feeling to have. The next one is corporate getaways. We believe that there will be a shift in the way corporates do their MICE events. So if anybody is doing MICE events, we'd be happy to connect with you on that. For example, we can do an outdoor board meeting setup in Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary for a high-level executive. Imagine your board meeting room is set outside in the forest, and in front of you, you have a beautiful view of the Himalayan range. And we change that venue based on the views of the day. Or in Varanasi, we start your day off with a yoga and meditation session in the morning. In the evening, we take you for a Ganga boat ride and the evening aarti. These are the kind of experiences that we want to infuse in the MICE segment as well. So we've come up with a brand new product called Corporate Getaways Off the Beaten Track. and we would be happy to connect with anyone who would be interested in promoting these products as well. So we know that price and product in hotels is something that people are not going to look at. Price is irrelevant at the moment. How safe am I with you, like my father was saying, is a question that everybody's going to answer. So we've already launched our campaign last week. I think many of you who are on our mailer list would have already got this. You are safe with us. That's the campaign. And on this initiative, there are various steps that we have taken to make sure that we are up to speed and being able to communicate more effectively. So working out our SOPs and going back to the drawing board on the department level on our SOPs as to what housekeeping will do, what F&B will do, the training modules of F&B service staff on social distancing while serving in the restaurant, that becomes of key importance. What front office will do at check-in. In fact, at this point, I'd like to show you a picture of what we think the new normal will be. Everybody is speaking of the new normal at this point, and this is what the check-in at the Tree of Life would look like at the moment. And I'm sure many other hotels are going to be thinking in these ways as well. So yes, the Genda Mala has been replaced with face masks and sanitizers. And that's what the new normal would essentially be like. So we've taken various initiatives on this front. And more important in taking the initiative is communicating. So via our social media, via our emailer marketing, and through tour operators, we have sort of communicated this information to build a sense of confidence and safety within potential travelers. So a few exciting announcements. One is that we're going to be, these packages, self-drive packages, we're running limited period offers, and we'd be happy to work with you directly on this again. Up to 50% off on these self-drive getaway packages that we've promoted. That's what we are offering for limited time periods. And on top of that 50% off, especially only for ADTOI members, we'll be offering a 15% commission on these packages. So I would again request ADTOI to circulate these packages amongst the audience and the participants after this so that they have the product knowledge and the price levels with them. And then we could work out the specifics with each operator. We're also going to be giving out 3 2-night vouchers. So these will be free 2-night stays at 3 of our properties, Jaipur, Corbett, and Ranthambore. We're going to be handing these vouchers over to ADTOI, and they will be using these vouchers in their future events in various manners, which is completely up to them. And the third thing is that we're coming out with a Tree of Life questionnaire, which is going to have a few questions on the Tree of Life brand, the answers of which are very easily available on our website. And ADTOI would be handing out co-branded certificates, like Mr. Gupta was saying initially, to the winners of this contest. So all in all, I think that's it from our side. We're hopeful that things will come back. At the moment, our inventory in our hotels is open 15th June onwards. We feel that that is the earliest possible time where people would want to sort of consider a little bit of domestic travel through self-drive means. And that's where we are at the moment. So over to Mr. Gupta now.
Right. Thank you, Akhil. Thank you so much. It is really interactive and educational session. Just to update all our members once again, Mr. Akhil has, they generally are offering 50% discounts on their regular packages. But for ADTOI members, it is again 15% on top of 50%. So that's a commission for, special commission for ADTOI members. Thank you, Akhilji and Hemant Anandji, for this great offer for the members. And I'm sure this offer is not extendable to any other people or any other travel agents. It's only for ADTOI members, right?
That's right.
Okay. That
how do you know, Chetan, that very, very important that they are offering only to ADTOI members the 15% discount apart from the 50% they are offering in the market basically. And that too is, Akhil, if I am not wrong, till 30th of September.
So these are very flexible packages. So essentially, you don't have to choose your dates when you buy these packages from us. So in a limited time period, we give you these packages at 50% off. These are further sold to the client. There is no need to commit to any travel dates at the moment because we know that these travel dates are completely up in the air right now. You would have various changes. So we're allowing free date amendments up till a period of 30th September. You can choose when you want to travel, subject to.
And that will be cut and pay, and how you want to do that?
That will be cut and pay, sir.
cut and paste. That's very good.
Oh, that is good.
That's good. Another that, you know, Binsar, you're talking about the Binsar, it's a totally like you said, the MICE, you talked about the MICE and there's a boardroom.
Right.
I would like to know, understand that what is exactly the capacity of the boardroom, and for the MICE, how many people can be accommodated there?
Right. So if we take the example of Binsar, we have 11 rooms there. So we
Okay.
could accommodate 22 people on twin sharing. So it would ideally be suited for a smaller, maybe executive level kind of meeting where the number of people are less. But if I was to talk about Jaipur or Varanasi, for example, we have 13 villas in Jaipur and 4 of them are 2-bedroom villas. So that's 17 bedrooms. So you can accommodate about 35, 40 people there. And Varanasi, we've got 18 junior suites. So each of them have about 650 square feet of private area. You've got your own private living area, your own balcony, like we saw. So you could accommodate again up to 40 people there. So that's the size that we normally do. Now, if their number increases from 40 to 60 or 70, in Jaipur, again, within 1 kilometer radius, we have various hotels which are around us. We arrange a shuttle service. The balance people could stay there. So we could accommodate higher numbers for such MICE events as well.
And before we go to the question answer for the, you know, our members, another question I have for the Marari Beach you had shown the houseboat. Is that belongs to Tree of Life?
That's right.
And how many rooms? This is 3 room.
This is a 2-bedroom houseboat. So we did have plans to add more houseboats because 1 2-bedroom houseboat is not enough. But unfortunately, we weren't able to carry out those plans now, maybe sometime in the near future.
And just for a knowledge that you have shown some elephants also. I hope that belongs to also Tree of Life, the elephants.
No, sir. I think a lot of activists have recently taken a lot of rules have come out where elephants are not going to be allowed in various parts now. So I think we're going to have to rework that presentation a little bit.
Okay.
Akhil, I'm getting a couple of questions at the back end at my WhatsApp. Like, what will be the package price that is published on your website, or what is the rate you're going to take it on 50% discount?
So it's the same. We're going to, like I said, the 50% discount is really for limited time period offers. We're going to be publishing in the front end the same rates everywhere. So we won't have any disparity there. But what we will work out at the back is different commission percentages. So like we said.
No, that is okay. If somebody wants to know the package rate, so they have to go onto the website, or how will they come to know about what is the package rate and on what rate they will be getting 50% discount?
Right. So all of those packages are already loaded on our website. They're available there. I'll be sharing a PDF and an emailer with you also, which you could circulate.
We'll circulate to members. Yeah, we can do that. So
Chetan, if I may just add one thing, I think which is important for us as a group and you as an association. This issue of OTAs and all of that is here to stay. I think we can't fight a battle which we will not win. And that is where I think the challenge lies as to how can a hotel chain and travel agents live in harmony with each other. And I think now is the time really where you will come to know who your true partners are. It is very easy for a hotel to dump the rate and go directly to the client. I want to give through this presentation an absolute guarantee to all the ADTOI members. It is never our intention to undercut you. Having said that, there will be occasions when the client shops around and you know how it works. So I don't need to elaborate on that. But you have our assurance that in case there is a client who's ever come to you first and then has played around with us and let us say managed to get a deal, we will absolutely honor that the rate, irrespective of what we quote to the client, is commissionable to the travel agent by 10% if he was your client. I mean, I really want to put that very clear. For us, this 10% should never be a reason to sort of mistrust each other. This is your right as a travel agent, and we respect that completely. But like I said, situations will happen. We will have to work together to see how we can overcome those situations. But you have our assurance on that.
I'd just like to say very quickly, and this would be a good platform to do this. We have a blanket policy. So like we said, there are certain times, certain dates where we feel that occupancy is very low and we might put out certain special promotions online, which may go below the rates which are given to a tour operator, which spread for a 6-month season. So those flash promotions are done, but as a blanket policy, and I'd like to communicate that here, the tour operator just simply, if he finds a rate which is lower online on any platform at all, he just takes a 10% commission on that rate and closes that reservation, there is no need to even check with us at any point in time. This is a blanket policy that we have throughout all dates, throughout all seasons, all peak periods, all long week getaways, long weekends. In case a rate is seen which is lower than what we've given, 10% commissionable is applicable. You just need to send a screenshot of that to us. That's all.
Fantastic. Thank you, Himmat Anandji. Thank you, Akhilji. I think we couldn't ask for anything more on this, because we had a real fight with the OTAs and what rates we are getting online, offline. So I think this solved the purpose for most of us. I think this is done. If you guys ready, we can take the question answer, sir. Himmatji, Akhilji.
Yeah, please. Yeah, sure.
All right. Tanuja Pandey is saying Mr. Anand will get a mask with marigold print on it. That's a suggestion. Buddhi Prakash is saying thanks for sharing the details. Thanks, sir. Good one, Himmat bro. Yes, Himmatji. It is right time to complete OTA. Okay. Generally, sir, we make the we have got around 110 participants as on time. Yes. So whoever raises his hand, we will ask them to speak and ask the question directly. Mr. Sandeep Jain is here, who has raised his hand. I'm taking him online. Sandeep Jain, can you listen to us, sir? Can you unmute yourself and speak, sir? Sandeep ji?
Yeah.
Unmute, yeah.
Yes. Please go on.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, this is better.
Hi, Himmat.
How are you, sir?
Akhil, this is my first interaction with you.
Yes.
And I wish we had met earlier. Amazing. Hats off, buddy. And Himmat, your thoughts on OTA and us is amazing, yaar. You are just amazing. I was about to write that only.
No, we have to be. And I think the true test of partnerships are always tested in difficult times. In good times, everybody is your friend. I think the true character of people, the true test of companies will happen now. And I can say without doubt that Tree of Life as a company will stand by our people 100%. We will overcome any issues which happen. We will overcome them together. That's what we have to do at this time.
And I'm sharing a personal joke publicly. When is the next FAM, Himmat?
वो हमने चेतन को तीन वाउचर दे दिए ना, चेतन को वो करेगा कैसे करना।
चेतन के तो बाल खिंच जाएंगे सारे।
नहीं सर, मैं अपने पे कुछ नहीं लूंगा। This will be totally क्विज करेंगे या कुछ गेम करेंगे कुछ आगे एटीएम में, उसमें से जाएंगे वो, मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा।
But I would like to share one thing. Bhavna has taken a small group and they were like flattered. I mean, all the ladies, it was only a ladies group. And the Tree of Life Jaipur looked after them so well. I cannot tell you. Those guys are dying to go back. But this mayhem be over.
That's a good positive feedback, Himmatji. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeepji. Thank you so much. I'm taking the next one, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
We have our EC member, Mr. Ashish Sehgal. He wants to ask you something. Ashish, can you unmute yourself?
Yes. Is I audible?
Yeah, go on.
Himmat sir, Akhilji, and all my fellow partners in Ready2i, thank you so much. Himmat sir, आज आपने एक चीज तो कर दी हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए. I want to start with this. I think you can't see, but I'm clapping for you because OTA.
I can do in front of you.
Yeah. Thank you. And believe me, OTA versus TA जो हमारा प्रॉब्लम था, जिसमें हम हमेशा जो एक डाउट में रहते थे, आपने आज वो डाउट पूरी तरीके से क्लियर कर दिया और थैंक यू सो मच. अगर सारे होटल्स इस तरीके से करें, OTA पे कोई भी आ जाए, हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
No, we have to. We are always on one side, boss. That is very clear. We are a very small chain, but we are always on your side. Absolutely.
Thank you, question. Thank you, sir. My question actually is for you, Mr. Sir, Ahmed sir. I'm actually want to understand your viewpoint. Your first question from your side for this from this webinar is came. Your client का पहला question होगा, how safe is the place they are going to stay?
Yes.
Akhil has explained very well that now the check-in counter has been, changed. When they will arrive, they will get sanitizer or all this stuff in all this thing. I would really want to understand as a hotel, what you think, apart from the entry or check-in, they have a room cleaning, meal, common area, आपका जो नॉर्मल सैनिटाइज एरिया, जो आपको नॉर्मल एरिया जो आपका गार्डन वगैरह है, उसके लिए आपकी क्या एज ए होटल आपकी क्या होगी? मैं आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से उसको समझना चाह रहा हूँ, और इस पूरी प्रॉब्लम को एक होटल को कैसे लेना चाहिए, आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम योर पॉइंट।
Yeah, thank you, Ashish. I think that's a very, very valid question and the most important question in today's day and age. So the check-in, you already saw the procedure which we will have. There will be temperature tests taken for every guest at time of check-in. Let's move to the room. Now, I think hotels have to give up the old-fashioned housekeeping which we did. We are technically no longer qualified to do the deep sanitization which they call of hotels. So we have to outsource it to professional companies who are authorized to do a very set protocol of deep sanitization, which you've already done. So at the time of checkout, every time this professional company has already been hired by us, they will do a deep sanitization of the curtains, of the upholstery, of the mattress, of the pillow and all of that. And that room is then going to be sealed from outside. When the next guest checks in front of him, the seal will be taken out and then he will enter a totally sanitized atmosphere. That's as far as the room is concerned. As far as the outdoor and public spaces are concerned, like we said in our presentation, we are very fortunate to have less number of rooms and very large open spaces. So let us say all our properties are between 11 and 18 to 20 rooms. The land size for each of the properties is between 2 and 60 acres, 60. In fact, the property we have in Corbett is in a 150-acre estate. So on 2 acres, at any given time, you will have, even if I'm doing a houseful, which will never happen, I think, I hope it does, but in the initial stages, it will never happen. You have 10, 15 people who have 2, 3, 4 acres of open land, open space for themselves. So this physical distancing for us is not a challenge at all. And I think not only Tree of Life, but many properties like ours, which have open spaces, are the ones which are going to come out to be the clear winners. There is going to be sanitization at every step. The restaurant, if it's the bar, it's the lounge, whatever. We have now also created, this distancing of 6 feet in a hotel industry is not possible. If I have to serve the guest, I cannot be 6 feet away. It is physically impossible. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to redesign the menus, which make it easier to serve in one go. I don't want my staff to come to the guest every 5 minutes to serve something. So we've now planned menus where my contact with the guest is just 2 or 3 times during the service. Having said all of this, the challenge for hotels, we are a hospitality company. We cannot become a hospital. And I think hotels will have to find that very fine balancing line between hospital and hospitality. So I can't go overboard because I must respect the fact that the guest has come to have a good time with us. So given the circumstances, and I think initially the regulations will be very stringent. I'm quite sure 6 months, 8 months down the line, when treatment is found, when the virus is on its way out, I think all of these will slowly come back. So I don't believe in this word called new normal. There is nothing as new normal. Whatever happens at that time is actually the normal. And like 9/11 taught us, if you realize, the one thing which 9/11 taught us was there were security checks at all entrances to airports, to hotels, all public places. That was the real takeaway from 9/11. One thing which Corona is going to leave us is very stringent and long-term sanitary sort of stipulations for us to follow. That will be a huge takeaway from Corona. And I think we as a brand are fully equipped to meet that challenge.
Fantastic. Satisfied answer.
Can I add to that, Hemant, if you allow me to
Yes,
add
sir.
to this question of Ashish? As far as the customer is concerned, definitely you're taking precautions while welcoming him, and in the rooms also, and the restaurants also, the catering area, everything is okay. But what about the staff, those who are working in your hotel? They are going to their house, again they are coming back next day to join your hotel, I mean to serve for the service and everything, your staff. How do you know that whether they are safe or not? And whether they are really COVID-free or not? That's
Right.
another question exactly everybody would like to know about that.
So in all our properties, Khanna Sahab, we have about 50% of our staff who stay on the accommodation itself, right? And in the initial stages, given that occupancies are going to be low, we will manage with those 10, 12, 15 people who actually stay within our property itself. Having said that, there are, of course, few staff which will come from the outside. So there is a roster which has already been made. There is going to be a daily medical check for all the staff who comes on duty, whether they are staying within the property or whether they are coming from outside. So every day there is going to be a temperature check, and this will all be recorded. So a medical check will be done based on, there are some guidelines which the government is already putting down, and we'll follow all those guidelines. You have a very valid point. I think another very important point, Khanna Sahab, is if any guest is coming with his driver, now how are you going to put the drivers? Where is their accommodation to be kept safe? So I think these are the issues which hotels will really have to work very closely on. And I'm sure all of us, depending on our style of property, on the size of property, we will come up with plausible answers for all of this.
Thank you. Thank you, Madhu.
Anything else, Ashish?
No, nothing. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Ashish. I can see many hands which is want to ask the question. I am taking Tanuja Pandey because she has wrote couple of things in chat also. So Tanuja Pandey to ask her question directly. Tanuja ji, yeah. Can you listen to us, Tanuja ji?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me? Hi,
Yeah,
Himmat.
Yes. Hello, Tanuja. Hi, hi.
Hi, Himmat. And hi, Akhil.
Hello, how are you?
And, I'm good. And hi, Geeta. So I know you're hearing somewhere. Okay. So basically, the corporate getaways, I really like that idea. And I will take it up separately on a offline chat with you, both of you. Maybe we do another call, and I have some ideas where we can really promote Jaipur, Ranthambore, and Corbett, of course, for offsites. The question that I had, Himmat, you just said about, see, Tree of Life was not everybody's, of course, you have offered discounts, but Tree of Life was not a product that was possible for every corporate or any client because they always had some budgets in mind. So basically, with this new sanitization and other things that you all have to bring into, will the price point increase for your properties? How are you going to get those costs out? Somewhere you will have to charge the customer, the end customer, at the end of the day. So how much do you anticipate? While I understand that initially you have your discounts going on and you've got good commissions, but to the end customer, will it be expensive than what it already is?
Okay, valid question, Tanuja. Now, I think our philosophy at the Tree of Life is very, very clear. For the next 6 months, I'm really not concerned about ARRs. I'm really not concerned about occupancy. It will be futile to try and do it given the situation. We have to make sure that at whatever the price point is, we get the guest into the hotel. And I'm doing it for two reasons. Unless we don't get people to travel, the confidence in the public at large will never increase. I think the objective of all hoteliers, at least for the first 3 months, should be please put profit on the side. Even if you break even, you must operate that business. And that is how Akhil and me have planned our pricing. That is how we planned our budgeting. So for 3-4 months, I am not looking at profit. I just want my cash flow to happen. I should be in a position to look after the guests nicely, and I should be in a position to pay my staff. That is what the objective is. So pricing for the guest is not going to go up, Tanuja, and that's the reason why you will see we are offering these deep discounts. And this is a real debate going on in the industry. Some people are of the opinion, don't crash your prices because that will hurt the industry. I'm not crashing my price. I'm just aligning my price with the given situation. And obviously, as the situation improves in the next 5, 6, 7 months, quite obviously my price point will also improve and increase to what I actually should be. But can I do it today? No, I can't. And we live with that reality.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thanks, Tanuja ji. Very valid answer, Himmat ji. I really appreciate it and acknowledge this. I can see many hands who wants to ask question. Anil ji, Praveen Ghai ji, Rajiv Verma ji, I'm taking you a little later. I'm taking the questions first. Vishal Bhatia is asking the same question, sir, about sanitization. I think you have answered very well.
Yes, we've already answered that. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Ved Khanna ji is asking, our EC member. Ved Khanna asked, despite sanitization of property, do you feel as a hotelier, the personal hospitality expected by all guests would be maintained, and what precautions you would take?
Sorry, just come again, Chetanji, with the question.
So he says, despite sanitization of the property, Do you feel as a hotelier, the personal hospitality expected by the guest would be maintained, and what precautions you would take?
So like I said, I have to balance as a hotelier. My challenge is to balance hospitality and hospital. Honestly, that is really the thin line I have to do. Akhil is already constantly every week doing sessions with our staff, because what is most important right now is the morale of staff. I can't have demoralized staff looking after guests and keeping them happy. And I'm fortunate to say, since we have a small workforce, right now, I don't think we'll need more than 15, 18 people in every of our properties to begin with. It is very easy for us to keep that small number of people motivated. The Tree of Life has always been known for very high levels of personalized service. That is not going to change. That will definitely not change. We will try and do our best to keep the guests satisfied, keeping in mind some restrictions, because I know some guests may become irritable. Why do I have to sanitize my hands at every step? Now, those are things which very patient staff have to handle in their own way, and that we'll definitely take care of.
Thank you, Maji. Praveen is asking question to Mr. Himmat Anand. Will you share some videos of your properties which show the precautionary methods you have adopted in all your properties? Have you made some
Yes,
video?
Praveen, certainly. Akhil is already making one presentation like this, and in the coming week that we'll be sending out to all the members. So we'll definitely send that to you.
All right. Geeta Manshuri has mentioned 24,900 plus taxes are the rates for Jaipur package. 50% discount and again 15% for 812. Right, ma'am. So this 24,900 is for 2 night 3 days, right? On CP or on?
That's the package. 2 night 3 days. 2 night 3 days.
On CP.
On CP, that's right.
Yes.
On CP. Okay. Shivani Kapoor is asking, do your activities come as a value adds in the package price or are extra payable?
So Shivani, there are some activities which are gratis, and that's been sort of mentioned in the program which is being sent out, and some are chargeable. We've intentionally kept sightseeing activities as separate, because in the next, like we said, 4, 5, 6 months, I doubt people are wanting to go into monuments and stuff like that. So intentionally, we've kept those separately. I think as time passes, probably early next year, we would like to come back and then give a whole comprehensive package, including the sightseeing. But for now, we've kept all activities which require clusters of people together, we've kept them separately and out of the package price.
Mr. Vivek Sharma is asking, Mr. Anand mentioned 3-4 properties are coming up. Would he elaborate which are these destinations? And he was also working on one on Nubra Valley. Is it still on?
No, actually, Nubra Valley was 2 years ago. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. So no, that was shelved a long time back. What's very exciting for us, I must mention, is the Tree of Life Homestead, which was to open on the 1st of May. This is just about 18 kilometers from Corbett. So this is in the Corbett area. This is 12 rooms in 150 acres of estate. It's got a private golf course, 6-hole golf course next to it, which I don't think anybody really offers in 12 rooms. It's got ATVs, which you can go into the orchards and stuff like that. It's got a lovely swimming pool, and it is only 5 hours from Delhi. So this is going to launch as soon as we are ready with the product. So Corbett is going to launch as soon as the lockdown is lifted. We are also coming up with the Tree of Life Thikana, which is in the Dehradun foothills. So again, it's 7-8 kilometers outside Dehradun. It's a wonderful base for Mussoorie. You don't really have to go to Mussoorie, which really gets crowded during season. We are hardly, I think, 1 hour from Mussoorie from there. So you stay with us for 2, 3, 4 nights, go up to Mussoorie, come down, and there is a whole lot of other activities in Dehradun. So these two are ready to open as soon as the lockdown is lifted. We are also now looking at a property in Alibag, in addition to 2 other properties which we are talking to people about. So hopefully in the next 3 months, we'll add about 3 hotels more.
Fantastic, sir. We are looking forward to it. Nikhil Mehta is asking, sir, what precautions as hotelier you would take as to take care of your staff? Would you scan the guest who comes to your hotel? I think you have answered this already, sir.
Yes.
Manoj Vaishnav, our EC member, is asking, will the hotel be sending a do's and don'ts at the time of confirmation of booking? What precaution guest has to take while he's checking the hotel? Any video for guest who hotel has kept ready in respect COVID?
Right. So a document is already ready, and whenever the offer goes out, Akhil will be attaching that with the offer which goes out to all guests. And we in any way we circulating that to all AD2I members. So in case a guest asks you about the sanitary procedures and conditions, you will have an answer to that. In addition, a video is also being made, like I mentioned, and this will be ready next week. So we'll also send that across to all the AD2I members.
Because Himaji, I also think, because when tomorrow any client comes to us, the first question he's going to ask, like, which hotel and is it really sanitized and safe to travel? So I think this do's and don'ts and the video is very helpful in that way.
Chetan, and I think going forward, all travel agents are suddenly going to become very important for the client. I refuse to believe that clients are going to start booking hotels straight on the OTAs. No way.
Yeah.
I think they need a lot of hand-holding. They will need a lot of assurances. And that is where I think the role of the travel agent, more as a counselor, as a hand-holding person, is going to really increase in the coming months.
Yeah, right. Tapesh Bhagat is asking, hi Himaji, after the lockdown, your hotel need for every traveler medical certificate, including the driver? Do you guys ask for medical certificate after the lockdown is over?
Akhil, is that required by law? I don't think it's required by law as yet.
It's not required. Government has come out with it as yet. So if they do, and if they do make that mandatory, then of course we will have to comply with that. But background checks, basic travel history of the guests and the drivers, if they're coming along, will be done by the reservation team prior to confirming a reservation. So we will be careful on that front.
Arun Verma is asking, are you keeping a flexible cancellation policy?
Yes, absolutely. Like Akhil said, at least till the 30th of September, you can change your date. You don't have to book with a fixed date. You can book a holiday based on these discounted prices and choose your date up to 30th of September. We are very receptive of the fact that these are difficult times for everybody. So I'd like to assure all members once again that if you have to change the dates for whatever reasons, you will find us most flexible in that. Yes.
And so I'm getting a question at the back end on my WhatsApp. Like Tree of Life has offered a couple of vouchers to us in our last events. Maybe I think at the convention or before that. The vouchers are valid till April this year. So are these vouchers going to extend for next 3-4 months, or do you have plans?
Yeah, most certainly. Please ask them to get in touch with our office, and we'll be more than happy to extend them. Not a problem at all.
Sure, sir. I'm taking Anil Rajputji, our joint secretary, AD2I, to ask his question, sir.
Anilji, please go ahead. Himaji, how are you?
Anil sir, कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया साहब, ऐश कर रहे हैं. There's a question for Akhil. Akhil, just curious about the location of Marari Beach, where this houseboat is located, because Marari Beach itself is a sea beach.
Right.
Just I wanted to have this location.
Right. So Marari Beach is where our resort is located, right on the beach. The location of that beach resort is actually the key unique selling point of the place, because you almost have a private beach. The houseboat is in the backwaters in LAP. So it's not on Marari, but in the backwaters with all the other houseboats.
Yeah, this is what I was wondering,
20-minute drive from the resort.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alji. Thank you so much. I am taking the next one, Mr. Praveen Ghai. Just a moment, sir. Praveenji, can you listen to us?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please go on, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Good evening, Hemant sir. Good evening, Akhil bro.
Good evening,
And
sir.
Good evening.
to all. My question is to Akhil. How will you take care of your buffets, as every time guest pours food in his plates and he touches the servers?
Right. So, since day one, since we started, and this was another one of the non-negotiables that we had for the brand, we have not done any buffet ever. We've only done buffets in terms of when, a certain group in the morning is in a rush to go out for sightseeing, or there is a group which has taken the entire resort and has completely requested for a buffet to be there. That's the only time we make an exception and do buffets. Otherwise, we believe that our food should be fresh, it should be pre-plated, it should be served on the table, and it should be made to order. So you don't have our kitchens, creating mise en place for the next 2-3 days, creating your gravies in bulk. All of that doesn't happen at our hotels. We actually in Jaipur, we go to such a level in Jaipur and in Varanasi that your menu is printed, the name of the guest is printed on the menu. And every evening the chef will go to the villa or the suite in Varanasi at about 5:30 to discuss this menu with you. So this is a personalized menu, and reservations would have already asked you for your food preferences prior to arrival. based on that, this menu is made. Your order is taken in the room at about 5:30, and we ask you for what time you'll be in the restaurant or what time you'd like it served in the room. After that, the entire order is made from scratch in the kitchen. So it's completely fresh. We have our own vegetable gardens in all of our resorts, which we're working more closely on. I think that's going to be another space which guests are going to look at very, very seriously. They've become more and more conscious of not having vegetables with pesticides and things. So that's just in a nutshell what we do for our F&B experience. We try and stay away from buffets completely. So like a larger hotel, we would never face that problem.
Thanks, Akhil. Thanks.
It's a good question, because I also send my clients to Ranthambore and Varanasi, and this actually happens. The chef actually comes to a room and asks for what they want to have in the meal in the dinner, and they freshly make the dinner as per the guest choice. So that was a very upcoming thing. I'm taking Siddharth Jain, our EC member. He has some questions to ask. Let's start.
Yeah,
Yes,
hello
Siddharth.
everyone. Hello Himaji and Akhil ji.
How is it? How are you doing?
Yeah, good sir, good sir. First of all, let me applaud you for all the strategy you have put in place of bringing the consumer back, whether it is a price point or whether it is a sanitization process. I applaud Tree of Life Group on this.
Thank you.
I also wanted to suggest one more thing to you. Though you're doing everything in form of a documents, we'll be forwarding all those documents, but seldom our clients don't read all the documents, what all steps you are taking. If you can make some kind of a video, professional video, which addresses the guest directly, that what all as an owner, as a management you're doing in your properties to improve the safety of the clients and the processes you are following. So this short video, along with the promotions you are offering, we can forward this to our clients. You know, the video speaks louder than words and even the pictures. So that's all, that's my suggestion. And this will also encourage other hoteliers, you know, to come up some kind of stuff like this, which will send out a positive message to start traveling. So that's a suggestion.
Absolutely. Thanks. Yeah, Akhil, carry on.
No, you're absolutely right. And we have started working on this. I think image contents and video content is really going to work much better than text. I do have a very short video. We had actually, since this has come up 2-3 times now, I did not want to share that here because it's still work in progress. So I'd like to highlight it. It is still work in progress. We need to get into more details on this video, but I'm just going to share a very quick snapshot with you, so you do get an idea of what we're working on. I'll just share my screen for a moment.
Please go on. Please.
We at Tree of Life prioritize the safety and well-being of our guests and associates. We rigorously clean our guest rooms and public areas in accordance with government and health authority guidelines. High touch points such as door handles, switch plates, and remote controls are
Can't see the video, Akhil.
Yeah, just your screen.
Oh, you can't see?
No.
The video isn't
Sorry,
playing. Only the voice.
Let me just try and fix that. Sorry, 1 second.
Yeah.
You can see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see the screen, but yeah, but not the video.
Okay, 1 second.
I will take the button when you share the screen to share your video and sound.
I
Yeah,
think
this is done.
it should be good.
You can see now.
Right.
We at Tree of Life prioritize the safety and well-being of our guests and associates. We rigorously clean our guest rooms and public areas in accordance with government and health authority guidelines. High touch points such as door handles, switch plates, and remote controls are sanitized regularly throughout the day. This is to ensure highest standards of cleanliness and hygiene during your stay with us. Our experiences aim to create a feeling of well-being and fulfill your unexpressed desires.
So like I said, this is still work in progress. It's at a very, very basic level. But since this question did come up 2 or 3 times, I just wanted to share what we're trying to work on. So we will be sharing certain material on these lines soon.
Thank you.
I think it's something. Okay. Thanks, Siddharth. We have member Ashraf Burnai. He's asking Akhil, what are the rate module for agents versus direct corporates post-COVID?
So the difference in rates between direct clients and corporates.
Agents and corporates post-COVID.
So essentially, we would keep between a difference of 10 to 15% between the two segments. That's ideally the percentage that we like to protect our travel partners with. So this is the same protection across the year.
I'm taking Manmeet Singh ji. He's our chapter in charge in Punjab. Manmeet Singh ji, please go on, sir.
Hello.
Ji Manmeet ji, please go on.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yeah, you are.
Ji, thanks Hemant ji and thanks Akhil ji for taking care of the travel agents in a very professional manner and safeguarding the traditional travel agents. I can understand that there are many things of concern, and later on also as we progress, the hospitality industry, the hotel industry would be taking care of the things. Two things which come into my mind is one, obviously large buffets would obviously not be seen, in the near future. So if the food can be served to the guests in the rooms with disposable, plates and disposable products, that would, decrease the contamination part if it is being reused and reused. So once the disposable products are used, they can be, discarded later on and not being used by the other guests. And the second point of concern is once we do a check-in process and see that the guest who is coming in is not having the temperature, but let's say if he is moving out twice or thrice in a day outside the hotel and then again coming back, would there be a procedure to recheck again? And how comfortable that would be? Obviously everybody would have to be patient with it. So, but how as a management you would be taking care of that? Hemant.
Akhil, you want to answer the first one on the buffets and the service style of service?
Oh, sure. So essentially, we used to have a small little surcharge for in-villa dining traditionally in the past. If I was to look at Jaipur only, we've completely waived that off now. And also the service charge for in-room dining and in-villa dining used to be higher than our restaurant by about 2 or 3%. That has also been come down to levels of the restaurant. So we essentially have no difference in our pricing between in-room dining and dining in the restaurant. In terms of sanitization of plates and using disposables, as a brand, we are very conscious of the fact where we like to reduce our consumption of plastic to the bare minimum. We like to reuse more instead of using use and throw. So I do think that using disposable cutleries and glasses, and you would imagine the quantity if it's a full house or something like, or a group, the amount of disposables that we'd have to dispose of every day would be very high. And that is not very good for the environment. So we would rather, get our KST departments, kitchen stewarding departments to sensitize to this fact, give them the right chemicals, make sure that these used plates which are coming back are steamed properly, sanitized, and only then put back on the racks for reuse. So we will definitely take all those steps to ensure that, the crockery is going back completely sanitized. In terms of disposables, I think we would want to stay away from that as much as possible.
Also, Manmeet, we, like Akhil also mentioned earlier, we don't do buffets in any of our properties. So it is all table service. And what I mentioned in the beginning of the presentation, that we are redesigning our menus now in such a way that there is not repeated interaction between the service staff and the guest. On your answer, on your question of guests going out and coming back, yes, I think the government is also going to come up with very clear guidelines as to how we have to treat check-ins. They are also very concerned about this. And I think that is the reason things like hotels, theaters, restaurants will be the last ones to open, because I don't know if the government is really ready as to how will we handle these people getting together. So guests coming back, if you've gone out of the property, yes, whatever checks have to be done will be done all over again. And you're right, I think guests will have to be handled in a very sensitive manner, so it doesn't lead to any irritation for the guests.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manmeet. Our member Savita Nanakar is saying, shall we get the videos of properties? Please share on WhatsApp group if possible. Okay, Savita ji, we'll get the videos from Tree of Life Hotels and share it on. One of our EC member, Ekta Watts, is saying, you as a pioneer of knowledge of hotel industry, we as agents and the other hotels do look at you for the policies. So thank you for the offer till now, and we expect it to be more unique in the future depending upon the situations for our clients and members. Of course, a compliment for you, Himaji, by our member Ekta.
Thank you. Thank you, Ekta. Thank you.
Ashish Saigar is saying again, great management, Himmat sir. Junior Himmat is also great in understanding. Long way to go. Best of luck to your life. Thank you, Ashish ji, for your comments. Ji Khanna ji, aap kuch keh rahe ho?
Yeah, I have a question that the packages you have offered with heavy discounts, 50%, and after that, what is the child policy in that? And for the children above 12 or below 5 to 12, generally they are accommodated in the same room. And if it is above 12, so what is your child policy for that under your packages?
So, sir, up to 12 is completely complimentary if they're sharing the existing bed with the parents. No charge for children up to 12 years. After 12 years, it will be treated as an adult, and our extra bed rates are also given within the packages. So that will be on the same meal plan.
So packages are there. Another thing very important to Himmatji. You are a very, I mean, the pet lovers and your Jugnu, I always see, and I really admire it to seeing your Jugnu. You are really a lover of the pets and the dog particularly. Do you have any policy if I want to carry or somebody wants to carry a dog along with them in your properties?
So, Khanna Sahab, Tree of Life across the board is a pet-friendly resort. I think that's actually probably again one of the non-negotiables. So, barring Binsar, which is inside the wildlife sanctuary, and you cannot take pets because of government regulations, all other properties, pets are allowed there. I've also, as you may know, started a brand called A Dog's Story. A Dog's Story is where actually you travel with your pet and the guest is the pet, not the human being. So the garlanding which is done of the dog. The welcome drink is given to the dog. There is a WAG's menu which has got risotto, pasta, everything based on the dog. And the Dog Story is right now in Jaipur. The Dog Story in Corbett is ready, so I'll open that as soon as the lockdown is lifted. And the third Dog Story is coming up in Mussoorie Foothills. So I think by July we'll have 3 dog stories. The website is there; people can have a look at that. And yeah, that's a different world. And yeah, thank you for recognizing Jugnu also. He's an absolute sweetheart, and he's the motivation behind my starting A Dog Story, really.
Yeah. Okay. And secondly, apart from that, do you really charge for the pets also? Because few of the hotels I had really visited, I will not name, but it's a 5-star hotel. I had taken my dog there and they charge for that. So is there any policy for the charge that you charge something for the pets?
So yes, I agree with you. I've also taken Jugnu to some hotels. Let's not name them, and we get charged 3,000 rupees plus GST to take the pet there. But no. So Khanna Sahab, what we do is, after a pet leaves, we can't do a regular housekeeping because quite obviously there are hair there and things like that. You get left behind. So in the Dog Story, there is no charge because that is meant for dogs. So we have no charge for the pet. In the Tree of Life, we take a charge of between 1,000 and 1,500 rupees. It's a one-time charge just to take care of this additional cost of cleaning up the room again, which is a more deep cleaning, so to say. But barring that, there are no charges.
Thank you very much for this information. Thank you.
This really shows. This really shows your love for pets, sir.
Absolutely.
I am taking Mr. Rajiv Verma next. Mr. Rajiv Verma. Rajiv ji, can you listen, sir? Please go on.
हाँ जी, आप सुन सकते हैं
जी,
मेरे को?
हाँ जी, बोलिए राजीव जी।
राम राम जी, हिम्मत सर, कैसे हैं आप?
हाँ राजीव साहब, नमस्कार, प्रणाम, बहुत सही, बिल्कुल।
मैं पहले आपके बेटे के पास जा रहा हूँ, उसको जरा समझाने की डोमेस्टिक टूरिज्म कौन सी चिड़िया का नाम है।
जी सर।
अखिल,
राजीव जी थोड़ा टाइम लिमिटेड है हमारे पास।
अरे मैं यार इससे 1 मिनट लूंगा, हिम्मत सर से टाइम लूंगा,
ठीक है,
और जब तक चुप ना हो जाएंगे।
ठीक है सर।
तो अखिल, ऐसा है कि हमने ना 1997 में ये एसोसिएशन बनाई थी, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे ये लोग जितने भी ऑटो वाले जो हैं, ये हमारे को डोमेस्टिक को टूरिस्ट डेफिनेशन में नहीं डालना चाहते थे। वो सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया में।
राजीव जी, आपकी आवाज कट रही है थोड़ा सा, आप देखो कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। वी कांट हियर यू नाउ।
Mistake.
I'm not able to get anything.
Yes, I am talking. Can you hear me?
राजीव जी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सर, क्लियर नहीं है, आपका बैंडविड्थ बहुत लो है, या तो थोड़ा पास आइए सर वाईफाई के, या
Can you hear me?
यस, अब आप बोलो। हाँ जी।
नहीं, आई थिंक द बैंडविड्थ।
आपको राजीव जी थोड़ी देर में लेते हैं। चेतन, तब तक आप नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछ लीजिए।
राजीव जी, एक बार दोबारा से लॉगिन कर लीजिए, या थोड़ा वाईफाई के पास आइए, आपका बैंडविड्थ बहुत लो आ रहा था। वी आर नॉट एबल टू हियर यू। वन मोमेंट सर। So I think we are done with more or less. Mr. Arya, our Vice President, is saying, what is the driver policy to stay and meals for them? Do you have separate accommodation for them?
Akhil, take that on.
Sorry, drivers and maids.
No, yeah, driver and maids specifically. And do you have separate arrangements for them for the stay? Also for the meals?
Yes. So right. So at all of our properties, we've identified hotels which are within a 1 or 2 kilometer radius, which allows accommodation. We've worked out special rates for them, for drivers and maids. So meals and things are all taken care of in that area. Unfortunately, we don't have accommodation on the property itself, but once you check in, and if you have a driver or a maid, we will make it, we will take that responsibility on completely and make sure that they are comfortable while with us.
So they will also have the same check-in process, sanitized process, what you have for your normal guests?
Yes, absolutely. Everybody coming in would have the same process. There'll be
because
no.
I think drivers we can make arrangements for them separate at some other place, but yes. maid's going to stay with them for the kids or whatever.
Yeah, so if that's the case, then they'll go through exactly the same process as the guest in terms of checks. Yeah. And even for our vendors, for example, there is no exception to that rule. All the material coming in at the gate will first be sanitized and only then allowed inside the gate. Anybody coming in from the back gates as well will follow exactly the same process. No exceptions.
I hope Rajesh ji has got his answer. I am taking Rajiv Verma ji again. He's here.
Rajiv, unmute करो पहले आप.
हाँ सर, एक मिनट. जी राजीव जी, प्लीज गो ऑन.
हाँ
जी. राजीव जी, we are facing the same problem.
Very clear. अगर आप अपना phone number देंगे comments में, I will call you myself. I can't hear.
राजीव जी, आप चैट में या क्वेश्चन आंसर में लिख दीजिए. अखिल will read it and answer you.
अच्छा, हिम्मत सर से बात कर सकता हूँ?
सर बात दोनों से कर सकते हो. आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
नहीं
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा राजीव जी.
उनको भी कुछ समझाना यार.
राजीव जी, with due regards and respect, आप बात दोनों से कर सकते हो. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सर. So I think we are done with more or less all the questions with him. Yeah, Suresh also think we need to move ahead. I have taken Himati, I have taken all the questions and suggestions came on chat and question answers. So I think we are done with most of it. I would like to thank you and Akhilji for taking out time and address all our members today. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Himati. Just a last note. Just a last note from Himmaji and PP sir. RG sir has raised his hand. I'm taking him last. RG Singh ji. 1 moment. So
RG unmute. RG unmute karo isko.
RG sir, you need to unmute yourself and speak.
Yeah. Boliye. Bolo RG.
In my chat, I put out my question, which is in the dog story, properties and concepts. Is there an in-house vet also?
No, there is no in-house vet, because I think with 3 rooms which we have in every place, it's not possible for us to keep an in-house vet. But vet services, we have shortlisted in every place 2 or 3 vets, and they are within about 20 minutes of driving time. So they are easily available there on call. Just like hotels have a doctor on call, we similarly have a vet on call.
Okay, fair enough.
So I'm taking one more last, just sorry about it. I'm taking Mr. Ved Khanna, our EC member. He wants to say something. I think it is about a dog story only, and he wants to thank you for this. Just a moment.
Vedji unmute kar do.
Vedji, can you listen to us? You need to unmute yourself, sir.
You?
Oh, yeah, this is better. Please go on.
Thank you, Himmaji. This was really appreciable. You know, the dog story plan, which I am on behalf of my pet dog Rio, I am thanking you, because they can't, speak. So I am taking this, pets fraternities. Thank you to you. A big thank you to you for this plan. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedsa. Please get Rio to us anytime. We'll be happy to have him with us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vedji. I think that we are done with most of the questions and whatever people ask us here. And just the last word, sir. PP sir and Himmat sir, then we close the meeting.
Thank you, Himmatji. Thank you, Akhil. And it's good that I have taken your dog Jugnu story also, and which has really motivated all of us that exactly these are all our, the family members. And after seeing you, I really admire that exactly how the dogs, they love the human beings. They are like human beings only. But only we differentiate it's an animal and we are the human beings. But we should not, I think. And that's the best thing. And a lot of people, they have appreciated for that. Even I wanted to see, because, whenever we go out of the whole family, then we have worried about that, where we to leave our dog. So that was the reason. So my son was able to find out few of the hotels. And whenever we go with the family, so we take our dog there only where they allow exactly. So that is what the reason I wanted to understand. And seeing you always in the, the Facebook and some videos, that how love you do with your Jugnu, and how we love our dog also. So it's the same thing, same story for all of us. So that's a good thing. But anyway, thank you, all of you, and the Anand family for giving this nice presentation. And I'm very hopeful that those who have participated, those who have really joined this session, and will be definitely benefited, because, Mr. Anand, he has a big heart for the pets. Always he has big heart for our fraternity also, giving the big discounts to us. And also apart from that, another 15% discount for ours. So avail this opportunity, whatever the best you can do. And I can assure you, they have the best properties. And definitely they are going to take very, special precautions for our clients. For you, even if you go, they will take care. And if you want to really experience it, first go and then find out that how precautions their people are taking. That I can assure on behalf of the Tree of Life. So thank you very much, Himmatji. Thank you, Akhil, for the nice presentation, and God bless you. And hope that we'll be working very, closely with the Tree of Life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Khannaji, and all of my friends present here. We have got the discounts now. We have got 65% discount on the package price. So let's bang on it, guys. Start making the bookings. You have got Mr. Akhil's email ID. You have got ED2's ID. You have got my ID. So any problem, please get back to us. And I would request Mr. Akhil to share the presentation and the video which we were talking about, sir, so that we can circulate to all the members.
Oh, sir, I'll do that.
And sir, I would like to thank Geeta also. Geeta Maheshwari. She initiated it and make this presentation happen. Thank you, Geeta ma'am, for your support, ma'am.
Even thanks from my side to Geeta ji. Thank you, Geeta ji, for all this.
Thank you, Himmat sir. Thank you, Akhil ji. We'll end the session, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Take care, sir.
Thank you.
Stay healthy, stay happy, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thanks.
Bye. Bye-bye.